Alright, just finished up the ATSL center console, cup holder, all the buttons work. I installed the full wiring harness from my model onto this, including that. One of the differences is on this one, which is from the China version, it's all plastic, whereas mine was felt and the little cubby was a little larger. It wouldn't swap over, believe it or not, because there's some trim on the back side and you can't switch it over between models. It's the same length as the USDM one, and that back panel does swap. I took out the Taco Bell gift card holder, put in the 2 power outlets, everything lined up perfectly. The only other thing you can't switch is this. So on the US version you have a thing right here, on this one you don't. So but whatever, it's the only difference. Now you can use the US boomerangs here, I don't know what the fuck they're called, these pieces right here. You got to trim down some trim pieces that connect this part to the actual center console itself. But as you can see, everything fits good. Horrible stock GM gaps is what it is. But yeah, all done. Thanks to Tyler and also Lee from Alpha Mods, as always, hooked me up. A million questions, helped me get these parts, and very thankful. And we got it done after a 3-year hunt.